uploading and clicking public immediately. Stop. You are blocking your blessings. And I don't say that lightly, because if you've ever sat there thinking, why is no one watching my videos? Why do I get 0 views in the first 24 hours? Is YouTube hiding my stuff? Then listen, it's not your voice, your message, or your editing. It's your visibility settings. Yeah. That small, quiet part of the process nobody talks about enough could be the silent killer behind your channel's slow growth. But today, we're fixing it fast. I'm going to show you how to publish like a pro so YouTube actually works for you, not against you. Why visibility matters. Let me break it down like a digital CEO. The minute you hit publish on YouTube, the algorithm wakes up like, okay, let's scan this video. What's the title? What's the thumbnail? What's the topic? Who is the best audience for this? Now here's the problem. If you hit publish too early, maybe your thumbnail isn't eye-catching, your title is rushed, or worse, YouTube hasn't even finished processing your video. The algorithm gets confused. Your video gets served to the wrong people who are not interested, who will scroll right past it, which then tells YouTube, people don't like this video, so let's stop pushing it. Boom, just like that. Low views, low CTR, another video that could have popped, but it didn't make it. This is why timing matters. You don't just need good content, you need the right launch strategy, and yes, even for free YouTube videos. What I'm teaching right now is part of my YouTube Upload Mastery series. The book is out and it's free for a limited time. So if you're serious about growing on YouTube, grab your copy while it's still free so you can get all the steps. This series will change how you upload forever. Step 1, upload your video like normal, but instead of setting it to public, choose private or unlisted. Step 2, let it sit for at least 2 to 24 hours after you hit publish to private. That gives YouTube time to fully process your video in high quality, scan your metadata, and figure out how to categorize it. Step 3, after that waiting period, schedule it to go public during peak audience hours. Us here in WAT, that's typically 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. when your audience is scrolling, relaxing, and actually have time to click. This tiny delay can mean a huge difference in your reach, your ranking, and that juicy watch time we all want. So if you're thinking, I want people to see my video right now, CEO, trust me, just wait. Let it marinate. So here's what actually happens when you wait 2 to 24 hours. YouTube finishes processing your video in HD. The system matches your metadata to potential viewers. Your video gets a chance to appear in search results and on the home page in the right category. It gets shown to people who actually want your kind of content. You avoid showing up in the wrong niches with confused viewers. You get better first impressions, which matter more than you think. Let's be honest, when your video drops looking polished with a clickable title and a thumbnail, people respect it more. They stay longer, they engage more, and the algorithm, it notices all of that. So this is what you do during your waiting period. You prep like a boss. Now this is your CEO checklist. Double check your title. Is it emotional? Is it curiosity based? Would you click it? Because if you won't click it, why do you think somebody else will click it? Relook at your thumbnail. Use sites like thumbsup.tv to preview it on YouTube's homepage. Would it grab someone in a sea of videos? Is it something that will call for your attention? Are the words too small or too bold? Is your face looking okay? Review your description. Add links, hashtags, timestamps, and that strong call to action. Test all your links. Does the YouTube Upload Mastery link work? Is your freebie still active? Write your social media caption and email post in advance, so the moment it goes live, you can push it across platforms immediately. Remember, you're not just uploading, you are launching. There's a difference between looking desperate to publish versus being strategic and intentional with every upload. Every small shift in timing can separate the amateurs from the digital CEOs. This series will continue until we cover all the secret sauce the pros are using to blow up their channels. To get everything, download the YouTube Upload Mastery. It's got everything you need to start uploading like a pro and getting real results. And yes, it's free for just a limited time. Grab it using the link in the description. You're gonna love it. So let me leave you with this. You're not just a content creator anymore. You are a digital CEO. And CEO don't drop content by accident. They plan, they prep, and they position their content for success. So next time you hit upload, do it with strategy, do it with power. Let YouTube know you mean business.